but they became more and more
Gorge Sears.
to go after U.S. allies, even
Gorge
civilians. We
Seals.
estimate that no fewer than 100 people died as a result of accidents the
I
Dead
didn't
Cell
know
arranged
natural
on their
selection
own.
died into this
They were
game.
out of control.
I'd
and
vote
all
for
came to a
Gorge.
head 6 months ago.
What happened?
The unit was devastated. There are only 3 left now, and you just saw one of them.
Why would they go after the big shell?
How should I know? I told you they were on the lunatic fringe.
What about their leader? He says he's Solid Snake.
Snake died 2 years ago.
You mean the incident that made this big shell necessary in the first place?
Right, and he was the one that sank that tanker.
But he's a legend.
Legends are usually bad news. There's not a lot of difference between heroes and madmen.
You're saying Snake is still alive and pulled another one?
No, he's not involved in this one. His body was positively ID'd 2 years ago.
Snake is dead.
And buried.
What about the other soldiers? I saw Russian
Yeah, I'm
equipment
totally
too.
not Snake.
Former Soviet military. They're probably mercenaries. The big shell is too much ground for just Dead Cell members to hold down. You weren't briefed on any of this? And you came
These guys
here
are
alone
former
to boot?
Soviet military. They've all got to be in
Why?
like the 40s and 50s.
What are you really doing here? Can't tell me, huh? Fine with
Wait,
me.
doesn't this game take place like 20
Not necessarily. When does this take place?
2009?
Keep it anyway.
Maybe even older than that?
They'd be in their 30s.
USSR disbanded in what? 91.
91.
Unraveled by the fall of the Berlin Wall in 89.
The president is... Damn, I can't hit this thing. It's like some bad dream. Alpha, anyone, come in.
If you want to be dramatic about it.
Bravo 0.
Aren't you going to answer him?
The soldier's awfully calm. I can't hit this thing. What the heck?
The BC connecting bridge.
We need to get there. Can you handle it?
Yeah, that's
Wait a
just
few more
Bob. He's being
minutes.
dramatic again.
Remember my frequency. It's 141.80.
141.80. Got it.
I've been briefed on this plant's layout. If you need information on the place or about Dead Cell, contact me. You're using nano communication, right?
Yeah, but I can patch into your frequency.
Hey, what's your name?
Raiden.
Raiden. Strange code name.
Makes up for the boring one my parents gave me.
Maybe I'll find out someday.
Your parents gave you a codename?
They called me Mama's boy. Now time for messing with Snake. Go on, give Snake a little punch.
Can I guess?
Good night.
Good night.
No.
Wait, Snake, you're not gonna go punch him? What's the point of that?
User disconnected from your channel.
Yeah, a little bit ghosty.
Think you can shoot that thing?
Oh.
Certainly can.
Wait, what happens if you try? Oh, okay.
He's asleep?
I don't know anything about that.
How much longer is this guy gonna sleep?
It's like someone shot him in the face with a fucking tranquilizer gun.
He shook off the dart.
Wish I were that relaxed.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Ronald is such a dick.
Wait, were his eyes open that time?
I'm going to pay for this later.
Jack, is that you?
Who else would it be?
Hello? Nah, this is Vasily.
I was hoping it would have been Jamaican Ryder.
Jack,
God
do you
damn it.
remember what day tomorrow is?
That again. I'm sorry, but I still don't have a clue.
That's okay.
No,
What
this
is
is
it, Rose?
Patrick.
Talk to me.
I'd rather you figure it out. It's important.
How important?
Important enough. And we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Why not now?
Tomorrow seems more
Beginning to get on my nerves.
appropriate. I need all the help I can get so that I won't chicken out anyway.
Is that the reason you decided to be part of this mission? Okay, I'm gonna finish this thing by tomorrow no matter what.
You know I'll do everything I can to help you.
Rose, there's something I
Don't
need
be
you to
silly.
do
I
as
decided
an
to join this mission
analyst.
to be incredibly
What is it?
annoying.
It has to do with Solid Snake. The leader of this takeover incident is claiming that he's Snake himself.
The legendary mercenary?
I need as much data on him as possible. Everything they have on him after the Shadow Moses incident.
He's dead now, isn't he?
Yes. Should be a burial record somewhere, too. You should be able to request top-level security clearance from the Colonel. That should get us into the most classified material.
I'm on it. I'll contact you as soon as I find out something.
All right. That about wraps it up for MGS2 for today.
Are you streaming anything else, Snake?
Who do we have around?
Jade just joined. Jade of all trades.
I'm who?
I'm gonna assume that's Mallory Jade.
All around.
I'm here. Obviously.
What do we all have that we can play? And who's above us?
PC. Who's above us? Let's see. Not many people.
What do you mean, who's above us?
Yeah, what do you mean who's above us?
TeamSpeak.
Eni, Poole, Shaddam, Shay. I don't know. I don't know if Shay is here.
Sparky.
Sean's in the stream chat. Yeah, I don't know.
We could do terrorist hunt, Rainbow Six Vegas
I
too.
have
Just
it
go fuck
installed.
yourself.
Heh.
I've been installed. I'll have to put it in more.
Nice picture.
Thing's terrifying. Why would you do that?
You thought that was bad.
Don't imagine it could get much worse.
You were wrong.
Ah.
Was that the Substance re-release?
Yeah, it was. It was the HD release.
Yeah, so it's only on Hard Extreme and European Extreme.
The shaver.
The shaver. that is.
God damn it.
Yep. What the hell?
Now Ghosty is just seeing that. Ghosty, get with the times. Do a quick mic check here.
We hear you.
Eh?
Uh,
Thank you.
Unfortunately.
Gee, thanks, Ghosty.
You know what we haven't played, man?
yeah, well,
ZM2.
yeah.
I could install it. I have it downloaded.
I don't have that installed.
It's basically
Or
zombie.
downloaded.
It's basically Zombie Master, only two.
What about Norman Hell?
Can do that as well. And I did have a good time, Jade.
We could kill the floor and killing floor. We could play Dead
I'll have it
Island and
download
hate
that.
ourselves.
No!
User was moved to your channel.
What?
What?
Who moved me?
Who invited him?
You. So you sent me a message and I was
gross.
like, I should drag Gigs down here.
And so he did. And now you're here.
That's fan-fucking-tastic. Why are you down here?
I'm streaming right now.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
Good thing
my mom. My mom's a 14-year-old girl snake.
How's your computer doing?
Shitty.
Is it still B-sodding?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, it did.
Even after you took your video card out?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take it in to get fixed.
Yeah, you should do that. Is it doing it
Work.
less? Is it doing it less at least?
Maybe? I don't fucking know. I haven't got it on in the last 2 days. It wasn't starting. I'm gonna take it in to get fixed and or replaced. Warranty covers it. Better. I paid $60. Fucking thing.
You probably get it renewed while you're at it. Assuming it covers it.
Oh, of course. Dude, you always get those warranties renewed. Cause you get free shit. It's essentially like, hey, do you want free shit for like ever? And you say, yeah, I do. So I'm getting a free chair. I'm gonna take it when I get my chair. Staples.
What the hell is this?
Got a
soothing
computer with
music you have
staples.
on?
It was really fucking cheap. And it was not a bad deal.
Is there anything that you all want to do?
Nothing really comes to mind.
Then I am going to try I Am Alive or something.
Is that
Okay.
a single player?
You should try I Am Dead.
Tried that.
You should fucking kill yourself.
Didn't love it.
Yeah, I don't think you would.
Well, I wouldn't mind playing the Rainbow Six, but
Oh, dude, Vegas? I might be able to run that. Dude, I've never played that with you guys, and I paid $60 for that fucking game, and no one ever played it with me.
Why would you?
Vegas.
Why would you ever
why
pay?
What? Oh, you didn't.
I did.
You did not pay $60 for that.
Well, maybe it was like $40. That's still a lot of fucking money, okay?
You didn't pay $40 either. It was like 25, like not even.
Back when I bought it. which is like a year ago.
There's no way in hell it was $40 a year ago.
Yeah.
Literally
it was.
no way.
Well, point is, nobody ever played that fucking game with me.
Toasty, would you want to play it?
It's a bad game.
Doesn't matter if it's a bad game. It's a game in which you could use a character creator, which is awesome.
The
My guy has a
character's like-
boonie hat and giant aviators.
And you could put
Yeah,
your
fair
face
enough.
on your character, or do what other people on the 360 did and put things like tits and
Barky,
Hitler's
shut
face.
the fuck up, I swear to God, man.
What? Running to me?
No, is your name Sparky?
I couldn't hear what he said. I just
Keep
heard.
sending me messages.
Also, Snake, damn it. When did you fucking sneak that on the poor Snake's eye?
Dude,
It's like
that's
a-
Kurt Russell.
Yes,
That's-
I know, but it's a
It's
thing.
Captain Kurt Russell. Snake, you find
Have
the
you chosen a
best
game yet?
places for that picture.
Picture is pretty much
No,
good.
How do you do it?
Our options are, Owen, very carefully. Our options are No More Room in Hell. I play I'm Alive. We could do Planetside.
Mm,
Yeah,
I
it's
could
my...
probably play Nimue with you. Nimue. Because it's a source game, and source games are bad and
Nimue.
easy to run. Nimue.
Nimue.
sounds like open. That sounds like open dead zombie speak.
Mer. Barha.
Man, we're old. Fucking talk about
Man
open
bags. Grab man bags.
dead. Yeah, man bags. That would happen.
Banana gangbang.
Hey, we could all play Evercron Mercenary.
Yes!
Fuck you.
What?
Fuck you and
Oh.
fuck Ghosty.
Hey, you guys didn't have to buy it.
Yes, we did.
Fuck.
Abercrombie and Fitch Mercenary? What?
Abu Mercenary. The
The
best based in game ever.
I put Abu Grande in Evergrande, but nothing showed up in search for Steam. I think you're making this game up.
Evocron Mercenary.
Ugh.
Snake, you should play that one game that you got. That Wolf bought you.
Magical Diary?
I'm not doing that one. That will be a specialized event.
Oh, okay.
Specialized.
You're
It'll
gonna
totally
set some
require
time aside
special
for that
event.
one?
Yes.
Are you?
Time aside.
When we're all here, you will all suffer.
They can voices.
Yeah, dude. I
What
want to
is
do
it,
the
another
voices.
doing
dating
it.
sim game?
The voices
kidding,
were the
I'm doing
best.
it.
Has the stream seen some of your fuck
Magical Diary?
Magical Diary.
What?
relics,
No. And that's not happening.
souvenirs from your magical
Oh,
diary?
dude. You know
Can you
what?
tell
We
us
should all
somehow?
download MTA and play that again.
MTA.
No, MTA was
What?
stupid.
MTA was stupid.
I
That's
don't-
why it was fun.
I don't want to lose my
Wait,
bike again.
Theft Auto?
You will absolutely lose your bike.
Oh, I don't have that.
And I remember just fucking driving around for like 3 hours chasing your ass with a fucking Humvee.
Best part about the
It's
zombie
not
server was the
boring.
fact that we could attach fucking cars to each other.
The Katamari.
God, am I?
La, 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 la. Just
I don't know, man. It's up to you.
Sounds like whatever. will
Really
save.
want to play Rainbow Six? I wish I had SWAT 4 installed.
I still do, I think.
Griggs, I'll play with you if we have time. Tonight.
He's pretty terrible.
We could play
Oh,
Left 4
God.
Dead 2 with Shay and take 6 hours to do one campaign.
No. We've gotten better.
We weren't bad then.
Already in the fucking stream, Ben. Holy shit, I've got all of them booked.
Okay, fine, whatever. The whiniest son of a bitch, I swear
Maybe
to
the
God.
stream should
I just
decide
got
what
off an
we
8-hour
play?
shift. Eat my dick.
What do you mean, operating
8
system
hours?
not supported?
Really?
Oh. Windows 8.
Oh, good. Did you hear
Good
about
job.
Chip to the Met?
Oh, that's
Sound muted. Sound resumed.
what?
He was a homophobic guy, and he kept talking about penises. Specifically King Tut's penis.
Wasn't King Tut's penis stolen?
What?
or
Man,
something?
Ryan tells the story better.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Because he goes into detail about the penises.
I don't really see how that's better.
Okay. I had forgotten that I need to, reconfigure my audio so my PC sounds come to my headphone. So I will be right back, folks.
Snake, I don't know if you'll...
Don't threaten them, Snake.
Oh, never mind.
In the meantime, we leave you with the musical stylings of Griggs. Take it away, Griggs. Griggs.
Be right back.